Avalanche AVAX is a high-performance blockchain platform designed for decentralized applications, dApps, and custom blockchain networks. Known for its speed, scalability, and low transaction fees, Avalanche aims to compete with Ethereum by offering a more efficient and flexible ecosystem for developers and users. 1. Key features of Avalanche: high speed and scalability. Avalanche boasts a transaction finality of under 1 second, making it one of the fastest blockchains. It can process 500 plus transactions per second, TPS, far exceeding Ethereum's current capacity. Low fees. Transactions on Avalanche cost just a fraction of a cent, making it an attractive alternative to Ethereum's high gas fees. Unique consensus mechanism. Avalanche uses a novel consensus protocol combining proof of stake, POS, with a directed acyclic graph, DAG, structure. This allows for high security, decentralization, and energy efficiency. 3 interconnected blockchains. Avalanche consists of 3 primary blockchains: Exchange Chain, XChain, for creating and trading assets, like AVAX and tokens. Contract Chain, CChain, for smart contracts and Ethereum compatibility, runs the Ethereum virtual machine. Platform Chain, PChain, for coordinating validators and creating subnets, custom blockchains. 2. AVAX token, the native cryptocurrency. AVAX is the native token of Avalanche, used for paying transaction fees, staking to secure the network. Governance, holders can vote on protocol changes. Total supply, capped at 720 million AVAX, with a deflationary burn mechanism for fees. 3. Use cases of Avalanche. DeFi, decentralized finance. Popular DeFi platforms like Trader Joe, Benki, and Aave operate on Avalanche. NFTs in gaming, low fees and fast transactions make Avalanche ideal for NFT marketplaces and blockchain games. Enterprise solutions, companies can build private or public subnets for various use cases. 4. Conclusion. Avalanche AVAX is a powerful blockchain platform offering speed, scalability, and low-cost transactions, making it a strong competitor to Ethereum. With its unique architecture, subnets, and growing DeFi ecosystem, Avalanche is positioning itself as a leading choice for developers and users in the crypto space. Interested in AVAX? It's available on major exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken.